As of 10:01 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday, December 22, 2025, Ondas Holdings Inc. is trading at $9.48.5, marking a steady intraday rise of 2.87%. This follows a period of intense volatility, where the stock has tested both the patience of long-term holders and the appetite of aggressive day traders. While most retail investors are looking at the charts and seeing a stock that has surged hundreds of percentage points from its 52-week lows of under $1, there is a development beneath the surface that many are missing. It isn't just about drones anymore. The recent completion of the Roboteam acquisition and the massive $855 million capital raise throughout the year have fundamentally altered the balance sheet, moving Ondas from a speculative tech firm into a well-capitalized defense contractor with a multi-domain footprint. There is a common belief that Ondas is simply a high beta play on the drone sector, often grouped with the likes of Tesla stock or Nvidia stock in terms of being a story stock that moves on hype rather than hard data. Many people using investing sites or checking their individual brokerage accounts see the massive percentage swings and assume this is just another speculative bubble waiting to pop. The expectation is that a company with this kind of parabolic growth must eventually succumb to gravity. However, the reality is far more nuanced. While the market sees a drone company, the data suggests we are looking at an integrated autonomy ecosystem that is starting to capture high-value defense contracts that were previously reserved for the legacy giants. If you look at the recent trading volume, over 11 million shares have changed hands in just the first hour of trading today. This isn't just retail enthusiasm. Institutional activity has seen a massive uptick, with firms like Citadel and 2 Sigma significantly increasing their positions. When you see that level of institutional backing, it tells you that the smart capital is looking past the daily noise and focusing on the 2026 revenue guidance, which the company recently pegged at a minimum of $110 million. That is a massive jump from the $36 million expected for 2025. This tension between the expectation of a pump and dump and the reality of a maturing defense business is exactly what keeps this stock in the spotlight of online investing circles. For anyone managing their own wealth through investment help or self-investing platforms, Ondas represents a unique case study in scaling. The company has moved beyond just the Optimus drone-in-a-box system. They are now integrating ground robotics through Roboteam and secure communications through their FullMAX networking platform. This integrated approach is what led analysts at firms like Needham and Stifel to hike their price targets recently into the $12 to $13 range. It's rare to see a company of this size manage to raise nearly $1 billion in capital without crushing their share price through dilution, but the market has largely absorbed these offerings because the use of funds has been so clearly defined towards high-margin acquisitions. Whether you use Fidelity, Robinhood, or SoFi Invest, the data on your screen probably shows a stock that is technically overbought on several indicators. The RSI has been hugging the high 60s and 70s for weeks, but here's the catch. In a structural growth phase, traditional technical indicators often fail to capture the full picture. The momentum is driven by a record backlog that now exceeds $40 million when you factor in the pending acquisitions. That backlog is a concrete reality that challenges the expectation of a slowdown. The market is currently pricing in a future where Ondas is no longer just a hardware provider, but a platform for physical AI in the defense sector. Before we go any further, I want to hear from you. Comment below how many shares of ONDS you currently hold, or if you're waiting for a dip to $8 before you enter. Does this feel like a long-term hold for you, or are you just trading the volatility? The business model here is divided into 2 main segments: Ondas Networks and Ondas Autonomous Systems. The Networks is the foundation. It provides private, secure wireless broadband for mission-critical applications like rail and utilities. Think of it as the secure internet for the things that cannot go offline. Then you have the autonomous systems, which is expanded from drones to ground robotics. The acquisition of Roboteam is a critical piece of this puzzle because it brings field-proven tactical vehicles that are already being used by the U.S. Marine Corps and international defense forces. This is an experimental tech. It is equipment currently being deployed in some of the most hostile environments on the planet. When you look at the macroeconomic pressures, defense spending is one of the few areas that remains relatively insulated from broader economic downturns. In fact, the integration into Ukrainian defense frameworks has provided a real-time testing ground for their systems. This provides a level of validation that most startups can only dream of. For those investing online using an intelligent portfolio or a robo-advisor like Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, Ondas might seem too volatile, but for those doing active investing on a fidelity trading platform or interactive brokers platform, the volatility is the opportunity. The daily swings are often driven by news of a new pilot program or a small contract win, but the underlying trend is being set by the large-scale integration of these various business units. We have seen this play out before with other high-growth sectors. The expectation is usually that a leader will emerge who can actually operationalize the tech, not just invent it. Ondas is positioning itself to be that leader. They have hired heavy hitters like Brigadier General Patrick Houston to lead their operational efficiency and defense procurement strategy. You don't bring in a retired general with JSOC and Central Command experience unless you are planning to go after the biggest contracts in the Pentagon's budget. This leadership shift is another reality that contradicts the perception of Ondas as mere tech startup. If we look at the older reports, specifically the Q3 2025 results, the revenue surge of 580% year over year was staggering. However, the operating expenses also doubled. This is the reality of scaling. You have to spend to build the infrastructure that can support a $100 million revenue stream. The market initially reacted with some caution to the high burn rate, but that sentiment shifted once the 2026 guidance was released. Investors are now willing to tolerate the current unprofitability because the path to EBITDA positivity in the second half of 2026 is becoming much clearer. As we look towards the future, there are several catalysts to keep an eye on. The first is the full integration of the Centrix and Apiero Motion acquisitions. If Ondas can successfully layer their counter-UAS capabilities with their ground robotics, they will have a system of systems that few competitors can match. The risk, of course, is execution. Managing a rapidly expanding conglomerate of tech companies is difficult. There is also the risk of further dilution if the company decides to go after an even larger target, although their current cash position of over $430 million suggests they have plenty of runway for now. Another opportunity lies in the Made in the USA requirement for defense technology. By producing their systems domestically through American robotics, they are checking a box that many of their international competitors cannot. This is a massive advantage in the current political climate where secure domestic supply chains for autonomous systems are a top priority for the government. Whether you're using a Fidelity mobile app or the Robinhood app, you are likely seeing news alerts about these defense mandates, and Ondas is sitting right in the center of that trend. The institutional ownership of nearly 30% is another sign of growing maturity. Names like Vanguard, BlackRock, and Morgan Stanley don't just throw capital at every drone startup they see. They are looking for businesses that have a moat. In the case of Ondas, that moat is the combination of proprietary secure networking and specialized autonomous hardware. It's a high barrier to entry market. You can't just build a tactical UGV in a garage and sell it to the Marine Corps. You need the certifications, the relationships, and the track record. Looking at the technicals one more time, the 50-day and 200-day moving averages are trending upward, providing a strong support floor. For those using interactive brokers trading or Fidelity wealth management services, these long-term trends are often more important than the intraday noise. The stock has successfully stayed above its 50-day average during recent pullbacks, which is a very bullish signal. It shows that there is a strong buy-the-dip mentality among investors who missed the initial move. The future outlook for Ondas is inextricably linked to the global security environment. As warfare and industrial monitoring become more autonomous, the demand for integrated systems will only grow. The expectation that the stock might cool off is constantly being challenged by the reality of new contract announcements. This creates a cycle where every minor pullback is met with a wave of new buyers who are looking at the 2026 revenue targets and realizing that the current market cap might actually be conservative if those targets are met. In summary, the story of Ondas Holdings in late 2025 is one of transition. It has moved from the realm of speculative tech into a serious contender in the defense and industrial automation space. The expectation was that it would remain a niche player, but the reality of its $855 million capital raise and strategic acquisitions has turned it into a multi-domain powerhouse. While the volatility remains high, the fundamental growth in backlog and revenue guidance provides a level of substance that was missing